Hello everybody and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to easily activate power saving mode on Android 16. So first let me unlock my phone. Now we need to go over to settings and here scroll a bit down until we see the battery. Here we go to battery saver and now use it like that. Here we can also choose either the standard battery saver, as you guys can see, or the extreme one, and we can customize the extreme battery saver. So as you guys can see, it looks something like this. Basically you don't have any other apps because you have the power saving mode. I think that's pretty cool. And here you have the standard one. So basically that's it. This is how you guys can easily enable it. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.